Ain't this a beautiful morning, January 2nd, 2017 of a new year. Boy, I woke up here in South Carolina at Myrtle Beach. I ain't even been home in North Carolina, in my hometown of Pembroke, North Carolina. God made something so beautiful. That ocean just runs and runs and runs, and ain't never got no ending. And it's the beautiful sight to wake up this morning. Ain't many people on the beach. There's a man and a lady there. They're taking a lot of pictures, and yeah, I believe that's a couple there walking. There's a woman there walking her dog. And there's a fella out here surfing this morning. It ain't cold, but I know that water's cold. I'm at the Landmark Resort in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Well, today we got to go home. Boy, I sure gonna miss this. Yeah, I tell you what, it don't get no beautiful than this. That poor surfer's trying his best to find him a good wave to surf on. Hoping I'd see a shark, but that's a slim chance. Me and my good old family, my girlfriend, my 3 grandbabies, we enjoyed ourselves the last 2 days down here. Look at all the little seagulls. Seagulls is everywhere flying.